Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Mercedes C-Class Bluetooth. First, make sure your vehicle is in park for safety. Next, grab your mobile device and navigate to its settings to enable Bluetooth. This ensures your phone is ready to be discovered by your car's system. Having your phone prepared will make the pairing process smooth and quick. Now, let's move to your Mercedes C-Class's infotainment system. Use the control knob or touchpad to navigate to the main menu on the central display. From there, select the phone option. This will open the communication settings. Then, look for and select either Connect Device or New Device to begin the pairing process. Once you've selected Connect Device, your Mercedes C-Class will become discoverable to nearby Bluetooth devices. On your mobile phone, you should now see your car's name appear in the list of available Bluetooth devices. Tap on your car's name on your phone screen to initiate the connection. This step links your phone to the vehicle. After selecting your car on your phone, a pairing code might appear on both your phone and the car's display. Please ensure these codes match, then confirm the connection on both devices. Once confirmed, your mobile phone will be successfully connected to your Mercedes C-Class. You can now enjoy hands-free calls and stream your favorite audio through the car's speakers.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.